Welcome back to Dancing in the Kitchen. Today, we're gonna make some Pesto Doble. Huh! So keep on watching. So today I'm going to teach you a Paso Doble, one figure. As well, I'm going to teach you how to make a basil pesto. So these are the ingredients you're going to need. Basil, salt, pepper, pine nuts, lots of garlic, Parmesan cheese, and olive oil. And a food processor if you have it. If not, you can do it by hand. Just makes your life much easier. So let's begin. We're going to put the pine nuts in. And the basil. The more basil, the better. I would say I put about 1/3 of a cup of pine nuts, and I would say about 5 cups of basil will do it. Add a little bit of salt. Not too much because the Parmesan cheese is quite salty. So now we're going to add the Parmesan cheese. Okay. That's about 1/3 of a cup. Put a little more maybe. Love Parmesan cheese. Okay, now let's put some olive oil. May need to add more olive oil afterwards. And now the garlic. We're going to use the smash method. Now 2 cloves is probably enough, but I love garlic, so I'm going to double it. I'm going to put 4. I'm just going to mince it. And put a little bit of pepper. Not required, but I like to add pepper on pretty much everything. Okay, let me clean up and we'll be back. Cleaned up a little bit. So put the cover on. On our, don't think I did that correctly. Let's try this again. There we go. And we're just gonna chop everything. There you go. Beautiful homemade basil. Few ingredients. It's delicious. Now, it's time for the Paso Doble. Paso Doble time! Today I'm going to show you the flamenco taps. So we're going to start in a press line position. So our weight's going to be on the right foot, and we're going to bend, flex the left knee, and we're going to put our weight towards the balls of the left, towards the ball of the left foot. So first thing we're going to do is transfer the weight, bring the heel down. We're going to release the right foot off the floor, lift it, and we're going to tap the floor twice with the ball of the foot. And now we're going to replace the weight back to the right foot and put pressure on the ball of the left foot. So it goes forward, tap, tap, back, pressure. And again, 1, 2 and 3, 4. You can do the same thing with the weight on the left foot. So you have a pressure step. You can flex your knees sometimes as well if you want, or you can keep the leg straight, up to you. So transfer weight to the right foot, tap, tap, transfer back, and then back into your press line. Now, let's do the same thing with the arms. So we can have the arms up, left arm in front, slightly curved, right arm above the head, also curved. And 1, 2, and 3, 4. And let's switch. And 1, 2, and 3, 4. Version 2. We're going to do the same thing. We're in the press line position. We're going to transfer weight to the left foot. We're going to release the right foot off the floor, tap it on the floor, but this time we're going to extend it back on a straight leg, tap, and then replace. So it goes 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And again, with the other leg, transfer, bring the foot in without weight, extend the leg back without weight, bring the foot in without weight, and then transfer the weight back to the left foot. Now with the arms, you can have the arms up, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Or the other way, 1, 2, and 3, and 4. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment. I'll see you guys next time.